Hello adventurers! I hope you are having a wonderful December. We finally got a coating of snow, and while it's not a lot, it's more than enough for me to want to make another simmer pot. For this simmer pot, I wanted to go with more of the traditional baking scents. So I'm filling up my pot right now, and then I will be slicing an orange. I'm really bad at this, and I apologize for the fact that I am using a bread knife. I can't find most of my knives, and this is the one that worked the best. So I'm just cutting up this orange. The size of the slices doesn't really matter. And once I have it fully sliced, we are going to stick it into the pot. Then we're gonna go to the ginger. Again, I don't have most of my knives. I would have used a butcher knife for this had I known where it was. I don't actually know where it is currently, but this bread knife worked pretty well. I could have peeled the ginger before I sliced it, but since it was just going to go into a pot to be simmered on the stove, I didn't think that was necessary. Next, I'm going to add in some cloves, some allspice, some white cardamon pods. Now that everything's in the pot, we're going to turn on the stove. I could have put some star anise in here, but I decided not to. And now we just wait for it to start to boil. This takes a while, and the process is always so fun to watch. And once it's boiling, we turn off the stove and we let it make the room smell absolutely delicious. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. May all your side quests be memorable and your main quest be fulfilling. Bye-bye.